Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel again. So as you all are aware, I am on a mission to help you ace your CA exam with confidence and clarity. This video will help you get closer to your goal of becoming a chartered accountant. So the CA Final Group 2 May 2026 exams are closer than you think. And if you are still wondering how to complete the syllabus, revise properly and score well, don't worry, I've got you covered. So in this video, I'm sharing a complete 50-day revision plan, which contains day-by-day targets, subject-wise strategy, revision cycles, and smart study tips that toppers actually use. So if you want clarity, structure, and zero last-minute stress, this plan is exactly what you need. So let's break it down and start your preparation the right way. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA exam related guidance, tips and strategies. So here I have the summary of this study plan. So this is actually for May 2026 attempt, group 2 and for 50 days and the plan is starting from 18th of March. Suppose if any of you come across this video later on and if your attempt is in September 26, you can still follow this plan because along with the date and the plan, I have written the day also here. So let's see the plan quickly now. And also this is the summary what I am sharing in this video. If you want a complete PDF, the details of that also I have shared in this video, which you will get at the end of the video. So please stay tuned with me till the end. So from day number 1 to day number 18, that is from 18th March to 4th April. So here what you will do is, for DT and IDT, first you will revise the chapters with the highest weightage. And for DT and IDT, you will practice MCQ as well. And also for IBS, you will study the case scenario booklet. That is per day at least 2 to 3 case scenario you have to solve. And also I have made separate playlist. So when you visit the playlist section in my channel, there is a separate playlist for CA Final IBS. So in that I have made different strategy videos for IBS paper. So those videos cover as to how you should approach the case studies, how you should approach the MCQ, and how to manage time in the exam, how to write a mind map, how to break down the case study, and how much marks questions will come from group 1, how much from group 2, how much from self-paced online module based on the past exam trends. And if you have completed your group 1 long back, how to study group 1 and how to study self-paced online module from IBS viewpoint. And also I have covered about AFM and IDT important topics from IBS viewpoint and many other videos are there in this. So this playlist I will attach in the end screen of this video so that you can go and watch that video also. So that will be helpful for you all. So basically you will be rotating between the 3 subjects and every day at least 2 to 3 case scenarios you will try to solve from this IBS. Then from day 19 to day 24, that is from 5th April to 10th April. Here you will continue your revision plus you will attempt the mock test paper 1. So every 1.5 days you will revise the subject and the next day afternoon you will give the mock test paper. So for example on 5th April the whole day and 6th April half day you will revise DT. And then on 6th April afternoon you will attempt the DT mock test paper. And then after attempting the mock test paper you will analyze your mock test paper answers as well. Same way for the other subjects also. So whatever rules you are following in the exam, the same rules you have to follow while attempting the mock test paper also. So while attempting DT and IDT mock test paper, do not refer your books and try to complete it within 3 hours and present your answer in the same way that you would present in the exam. And for IBS, you can refer your notebooks and you can practice as to how you will take out the topics from the notebook in the exam, so that in your real exam also it should be easy for you. And after completing the mock test paper, you have to analyze the answers of the mock test paper. So ICAI would have hosted the answers of the mock test paper. So compare your answer with the ICAI answer and check what errors you have done, whether you have written any provisions wrong or whether any calculation error in DT and IDT. And in IBS, you can check how you have solved the case scenario, whether you have correlated the case scenario to the correct topics. So all this you can see. And while attempting the IBS mock test paper, ensure you will use your index appropriately, so that it shouldn't happen that last day in the exam hall itself you open the index and you are fully confused. So for IBS, how to prepare index and how to refer to the index, all that have been discussed in the IBS playlist video. Now going ahead with the plan, from day number 25 to day number 34, that is 11th April to 20th April. So here what you will do is, you will continue the revision, that is you will revise the other chapters and you will continue with the case scenario also. And also if you want to know which case scenario to study, that also I have given in that playlist itself. You can refer that playlist. And then in MTP1, whatever errors you would have noted down, you will resolve those errors. Because just attempting the mock test paper is not sufficient. It is very important to identify the errors, and then it's very important to work on those errors as well. Now, before we go ahead with this study plan, next up on the screen, you will see some feedbacks. So previously also I had made some study plans and I had received feedbacks from some CA students. So I was really very happy to receive those feedbacks because those planners were very useful for the students. So please have a look at those feedbacks. So now you can see the feedbacks here. So students found this study planner helpful and they were able to follow this easily as well. So previously I had got request many times to convert the study plan into a PDF. That's why this time I have made a PDF also for that. So these were the feedbacks. So now coming back to this study plan. So don't just watch the plan, follow it as well. So I have converted this entire strategy into a detailed step-by-step PDF planner that tells you exactly what to study every day for the next 50 days. So it includes daily subject-wise schedule, revision cycle, slots for mock test paper, and it also includes a smart strategy to avoid burnout. So if you want clarity instead of confusion, structure instead of stress, you can grab the complete planner from the link in the description below. So discipline beats motivation. So most of the students who used my study plans before, many of them were able to complete their syllabus on time, and they also felt more confident before the exams. So that's exactly why I've created this new 50-day revision plan to make your preparation stress-free too. Now let's continue this plan here. So from day 35 to day 40, that is from 21st April to 26th April. So here again you will be continuing the revision and you will attempt the mock test paper series 2. So 1.5 days each you will be revising the subjects, and then the next day afternoon you will give the mock test paper and then you will analyze the mock test paper answer. So for example, on 21st April and 22nd April till afternoon you will revise DT, and then 22nd April afternoon you will attempt the mock test paper and you will analyze the mock test paper. Same way for the other days also. Then from day number 41 to day 48, that is 27th April to 4th May. So here what you will do is you will revise the remaining chapter, plus you will resolve any errors that are there in the mock test paper too. So actually in the mock test paper 1 itself, major errors you would have resolved. However, still after the analysis of the MTP2, if you come across any errors, you can resolve that here. And also your marks should have significantly increased in MTP2 as compared to MTP1. So this day by day PDF plan which I am telling about, this will help you in complete group 2 coverage in 50 days. It also has daily subject wise revision structure, smart rotation between DT, IDT and IBS, and dedicated practice and case study slots as well. And then you also have strategic MTP analysis time. Plus it also has balanced time for descriptive plus MCQ preparation. Clear daily targets to eliminate procrastination. Reduced exam stress through systematic revision. Then from day number 49 to day number 51, that is 5th May to 7th May. The last 3 days. Here you will start revising for the first paper, that is paper 4 of group 2. That is DT. So it is always better to start studying early for the first paper since it will increase your confidence and it will also build momentum for the other exams also. So remember, CA is not about just studying 12 to 15 hours randomly. It's about consistent planned study every single day. So follow this 50-day revision plan sincerely and you will see a huge difference in your confidence and marks. So this 50-day revision planner PDF is designed to give you absolute clarity on what to study, when to study, how to revise, when to practice and test without burnout or last minute panic. So who should use this study planner? If you are appearing for the CA Final Group 2 May 2026 exam, or if you appeared recently and did not clear and want a disciplined comeback, and if you are struggling with time management, and if you want clarity instead of confusion. So why this planner works? So this is not just a timetable, it's a strategic revision system that focuses on high weightage and exam relevant areas, integrates practice with revision, includes mock test planning, maintains realistic and achievable daily slots, prevents burnout through structured flow. So consistency plus structured revision will lead to exemption level preparation. So the link of the study plan has been given in the description below. Click on the link, grab the study plan and your CA success journey will begin from here. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel for more CA exam related strategies, revision tips and motivation. All the best for your preparation and I will see you all in the next video.